everyone, this is just an introduction to the difference quotient. It's a very important concept in calculus where you will start limits. But for this video, we are just going to do three basic, the same kind of problems just to get practicing using this difference quotient here. So the first one we're going to do is this one right here. And basically what this means, this is our difference quotient, is that I'm going to first take this piece right here, and everywhere there's an x here, I'm going to input x plus h. So for my function, I'm just going to write parentheses here for the x, and I'm going to input x plus h. Okay, that's this part. Now we're going to subtract the whole function. The whole function is right here. So this would be x squared minus x minus 2. And don't forget we have to divide by h. Okay? And then all you have to do is simplify this. This first piece is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x minus h minus 2, and then here distribute the negative. You get minus x squared plus x plus 2 all over h. And from here, we're going to cancel wherever we can. We can cancel these x's out and the 2's. And what you'll notice when you first do these is we're just left everything with h's in them. So this is going to happen on our other two problems. So we're left with 2xh plus h squared minus h over h. Now for my numerator, I'm going to factor out an h. So I get 2x plus h minus 1 over h. My h's cancel, and my answer is 2x plus h minus 1. And that would be your answer. That's applying the difference quotient. When you get to calculus, then you would take the limit as h approaches 0, things like that. But what we're concentrating on here is just knowing how to utilize the difference quotient. We're going to do two more, very similar. So here's the same kind of thing. Everywhere there's an x, I put parentheses, and I'm going to dump in x plus h. Then I'm subtract the whole function. My whole function is right here. So it's two steps when dealing with the numerator. Don't forget to divide by h, because the numerator gets so complicated. We sometimes forget to divide by h. So we get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h minus 3, and distribute the negative here. So just negate everything. All over h, and cancel things out. And as usual, we're left with just h's on this one. I have another video that has different kinds of functions if you want to do that video. So we're going to write 2xh plus h squared plus h over h. Factor out an h. Get 2x plus h plus 1 over h. So my answer is 2x plus h plus 1. All right. Be careful here. What a lot of students do with this, they tend to cross out the h's here. I don't even want to do it, but I'm going to do it. They cross out the h's. When they cross this out, what they forget is this 1 here. So be careful. It's better if you factor out the h, because this is 1. So just be careful on that one. All right. One more, the same thing. First thing I'm going to do is dump in x plus h. Then I'm going to subtract the whole function right there. All over h. Simplify my numerator. Don't forget to distribute the negative on here and here, actually. And on these kind of problems, that the ones we're doing here, you should only end up with h's in the numerator. For example, this crosses out, the 5 should cross out, and the x's. So they're all pretty much the same, and we're left with just anything with the h's in them. So I get 2xh plus h squared minus h over h. Factor out the h in the numerator, which gives you 2x plus h minus 1 over h. So my answer is 2x plus h minus 1. Now, for practice, I suggest you practice on those by yourself, and then you can see the pattern much easier. If you want to watch my other video, it has different types of problems versus these right here. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.